smell human. When I look at you, I only see death in your eyes.
Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I will show you free pack of demon sound effects. You can download all the sounds for free and with credit file. So all the sounds from freesound.org. All the sounds are free and you can use them without any copyright issue. So you can listen to the sounds like demon belch.
I smell human. I smell human. When I look at you,
So all the sounds like demon crying and demon speaking and demon bash and demon reverse Latin, demon P. So like you see all the sounds for free and you can check the credit file .txt. Like you see the name of the sound and the URL of the sound. So you can use all the sounds for free and without any copyright issue. And we thank all the users of free sound because all the users of freesound.org upload the sounds. So in the next part of this video, I will draw a cartoon demon. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel and comment the nice comments in the comment section. My name is Mr. Unknown, and I introduce to you every day all the sounds of the world, free packs of sound effects. So thank you very much and bye.